Next, we're going to introduce the concept of digital inputs. We've already seen an example of a digital output, the red LED. LEDs are considered to be digital outputs because a microcontroller can either turn them on or off. They only have two potential states. Similar to digital outputs, digital inputs have two states too. These can be viewed as on and off, or yes or no, or even true and false. Many switches are common examples of digital inputs. Microcontrollers have to deal with a lot of digital inputs and digital outputs. The reason? Microcontrollers are primarily digital devices. They work in the world of binary, all those zeros and ones out there. They can easily process inputs like push buttons that are pressed or not pressed. Similarly, they can easily turn on and turn off outputs in a digital fashion. In this section, we will learn more about how microcontrollers are programmed to work with these digital inputs. Specifically, we will configure our microcontroller to work with a push button that is included on the launch pad. Now, while one push button may not seem like a lot, you may be surprised at what one little switch can do. Up next, let's look at that launch pad's push button and see how they work.